दोस्तों सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्पोर्ट्स हेल्पलाइन चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन को ताकि आप देख पाएं वीडियो सबसे पहले।
Hi friends, today I am Himanshu. Welcome you all at our website Sports Helpline, in which today we are here at Vlaswa Lake Complex of Water Sports. Here we are having our precious and good game, which is mainly originated from European countries and Greek countries, but now in India it is developing day by day. So here we are developing this game on this Vlaswa Lake for the student for making their career best. If we see this kayak boat, which is mainly are used for the living and live fluid things for the Greek peoples, and mainly it is originated from the Eskimos people, which they use this boat for their livelihoods and fishing and other transportation. Or then you see this paddle. This is the 21st century look of this paddle. If you see backwards, this paddle is mainly built up from wooden parts and other material like bone and animal skin. But now it is made from carbon fiber. Just like boat you see here, this boat generally known as kayaking boat. This is K1, and this K1 boat is made from fiber and other material also used in this boat like carbon fiber and plastics. But the second grade material is fiber. First grade material is carbon fiber, which is very tough and don't stick the water and help to row the boat in the water. Second, you see this boat. This is also having same materials, but the shape and size is different and weight is different. If you see this hull, this is same, but that inside hull is changed because the driving position of this boat is different from this kayaking boat. When we change this boat to racing segment, we take two different things. First is that paddle. This paddle is also made from carbon fiber, and this knee pad. This is also useful. It is also useful in this boat for racing it because it plays like a cushion for a player to kneel the boat. Just see this. This is the position of the knee pad, which give a cushion-like structure to a player knee and have a rest on it to drive the boat. Now we go in water and then we give you a first look how to sit in kayak and how to sit in canoe.